Okay, so this is $12.53 at Larimar. This is a preferred deluxe tropical garden view. It's the bathroom, toilet, shower, soaking tub, closets over here, coffee pot, mini bar. They haven't come to restock it yet, but you also will have beer and waters and more soda. This room has 2 double beds, little couch, desk, little patio, and it's a garden view, so you really don't see too much besides the trees, but it's pretty quiet on this side. All right, and there's Ethan. YouTube subscribers who book with me will get an additional $25 off their package price. To book with me, please send me an email, memoriesandmojitos@gmail.com. Also, follow along on my Facebook page where I post a lot of specials. Memories and Mojitos Travel.